Hello boaters, here's another little story for you. Over the years I've seen all sorts of boat related incidents on the canals, and I don't keep a diary, but every now and again I'll remember one, so I'll put it on video to tell you about it. Now this one, it wasn't the worst one that's ever happened, but I think it was the stupidest one. Let me tell you what happened. So it was probably in the noughties. I was moored up, and ahead of me, a fairly good distance ahead of me, was a bend. And it was in the summer, and I just happened to be looking out of the front door, and a boat came around the bend towards me. And it was a private boat, not speeding, nothing untoward there. There was an elderly man at the tiller, and the boat came around the bend and started to straighten up, and I was a good sort of probably about 4 boat lengths away from the bend, so I wasn't too close to it or anything like that. And I was watching, and this guy, he lets go of the tiller and then disappears into the boat. Meanwhile, the boat is chugging along the canal. I thought, well, okay, well, we've all done that occasionally, you know, you just let go of the tiller, jump forward, just stick your head in the door, grab a coat or an umbrella or a map or something like that, back out, 10 seconds later, no harm done. But you always do that sort of thing when everything is clear ahead, you know, it's not rocket science. But anyway, well, he disappeared inside the boat, and yeah, the boat was chugging towards me, and he was still inside the boat. Okay, it's coming closer now, and it's starting to veer off course. It's no longer going straight along the canal. It's coming straight towards me. I'm thinking, he'll be out in a minute. And it was about a minute, I think, or at least 30 seconds or so. Anyway, his boat approached mine. This boat scraped, it didn't hit me directly, it scraped all down the side of my boat, all the way, and he didn't pop out of the back until the stern of his boat was level with the bow of mine. And he jumps up onto the back deck with a big grin on his face, and he's holding an ice cream in his hand. And he said, I just went in to get an ice cream. As if that was... I was speechless. What do you say to... He was my elder, he was much older than me at the time. What do you say to someone like that who... It was just... literally, even now I can't really think of what to say. I was just dumbfounded that anyone could be that daft. So, did I scream in anger? No, that's just a play on words. Ice cream. Anyway, yeah, he carried on his way. It was a private boat. I remember the name of it. I won't tell you what it is, because it's probably changed hands now. It was so long ago. But yeah, these things happen. You know, I've seen far worse on the canal, so I'll tell you those stories as and when I remember them. So anyway, thank you for listening. I'll see you next time.